Okay, so we're looking at lesson 7.2, page 420, and they're giving you a scenario where there's a guy who runs a whitewater rafting company, and the first part of the scenario deals with weight. He's figuring that adults weigh 200 pounds, kids weigh 100 pounds, and the maximum weight that he can put in the raft is 800 pounds. Now, question 1 asks you to create an inequality based on how much weight he can carry. So let's kind of think about that a little bit, and let's do it one piece at a time. So let's look at the adults. What's the possibilities here? Well, you wouldn't have any negative adults. So we're not going to have any negative numbers in this scenario. That's just bizarre. So we could have no adults in the raft, though. That's possible. And if there's no adults in the raft, that gives us no weight. If we had one adult in the raft, that would give us 200 pounds, 2, 400, 3, 600, 4, 800. Now, you can't carry more than 5 adults because at that point you'd be over 800 pounds, which is going to cause problems for the raft. So your range of adults you can carry would be 0 to 4. And we could write that inequality as 200 pounds times a certain number of adults is, whoops, we don't want to do that. We don't want to be greater than, otherwise the raft's going to have problems. It's got to be less than or equal to, it's okay if it's equal to, 800. Now the kids, we can do the same thing. We could have no kids, 0 weight, 1 kid, 100 pounds, 2, 200, etc. all the way. We could carry 8 kids. And that would look like, so we'd have 100 times, let's say C, is less than or equal to 800. And this is all in pounds. Now, you can also do combinations. And so let's think about what the combination would look like if we were to write that as an inequality. It would look like 200A, so there's our adults, and you put in the number of adults, plus 100C, we'll say C for child, is equal to or less than 800. So we could do some combinations. For example, we could have 2 adults. Okay, so 2 adults, that would give us 400 pounds. And we could do a max of 4 kids, because that would give us 400 pounds. And we'd still be equal to 800. And you could put random numbers in there and figure out, whoops, I'm over, or, oh, I'm okay. And what you want to be is obviously in the okay range. So that's a look at question 1 for page 420.